Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about interpretation. So we can use about interpretation by past. So I will put about u equals to f and s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the s over s dv that is about 2s squared ds. The integration of s squared that is about s to the power of 3 over 3. So we have u multiplied by v. And later that we put the bounds from 1 over 2 to number 1. Minus we have the u multiplied by v. So this one divided with this one. So we have s squared. So we put number 1 gone here, 1 over 2 gone here. So we have the final answer. This one that is about s to the power of 3 over 3. And then we put the bounds from 1 over 2 to number 1. So we put number 1 gone here, 1 over 2 gone here. F and number 1, you got number 0. So we cancel this one. This one, that is about 1 over 8. So this one we have 1 over 4. So number 4 gone here. And that is about 12. This one we calculate and we have 7 over 36. This is the end. Thank you for watching.